खोलिँदा ल ल जादु है जादु ओ ओ खाना टाटो आम्मामा कस्तो साह्रो हिउँ पऱ्यो है एक्कासी कस्तो घाम लागिरहेको थियो त दिउँसो त So I just came out from the work and due to the wind you can see it's super windy and it's snowing outside right now. I think there was some pizza left yesterday. Yep. So I got some pizza, some bread and many things. I'm gonna make something for me. Huh? Like 10 minutes ago there was a winter storm outside and now it's sunny. Let's go outside. Wow. Okay. You can see clearly that's the storm that passed by and it's now sunny and beautiful. Like the weather of Canada is unpredictable. That's another life lesson you need to learn when you arrive at Canada. So right now I'm eating the 2 slices left yesterday and watching Mandalorian. So on 7:30 I got a quiz to attend. So I was thinking that my quiz will be at 7 or at 7:30, but I was completely wrong because it was supposed to be on 6:30 and it ends at 6:55 p.m. So yep, missed the quiz. So yeah, I did miss the test, but yeah, I cannot cry about it because it's already too late to cry. So right now I'm hungry, so for dinner I think I will make some chicken. So I'm going no fields to get some stuff. Let's see. I've stopped, but it's quite cold. It's right now -6 and wind is making it more and more cold. So I have bought chicken, a tomato and some like 1 kilo of onions, which cost me around $14. And I was thinking like a pizza costs like $15 and $15 I will get like 2 pizza on Little Caesar. And I was thinking like why am I buying this? Like I still have to cook the chicken and everything, which I am not good at. Frying the chicken. Sri Ram. So I have just made the dough. I don't have the plate like thing, so I'm using my chopping board for making a circle like roti. So our dinner is served. Here's the roti and here's the chicken I had made with anime. That's it. Good night.